Hi, I'm Kevin. This is the second in a series called Machine Shop Rescue, where I'm rescuing a old milling machine that I found and going to rehab it and use it for building at-home machine shop projects. Uh, and this is the first segment in which I'm going to start tearing this machine down. So let's get into it. This machine's pretty interesting in that it has a somebody had devised a trying to figure out how to get this thing aimed. I got to learn how to do this camera better than I am, but there's a ooh, scary. But basically, it has a rotary. Someone had added this to the machine, and you basically winch it down. And I'm going to turn this upside down so you can. I'm going to put the camera down. I got to figure out how to do these cameras, but. This is being recorded on an iPad, which I'm not sure if that's the best machine to use, but it's what I have. So that's what I need to use. Yeah, so I'm going to be working on this machine and getting it torn down, and then we'll be restoring it and putting it into operation. So there are two handles that are at the top of this ram that you tighten it with a wrench to loosen it up, which I'm surprised that this thing hadn't rusted into the ram. But actually, you can see that it's starting to come out, and you can see the silver metal. So that's a plus. I tried getting the arbor out by hitting on the back end of the drawbar, and it's stuck in there like a rock. So that's not going anywhere. But I didn't want to get into blasting it and mushrooming the head of the drawbar and that type of stuff. So maybe it's not stuck as badly as I think. This has got some pretty fine thread on it. Here we go, we're almost there. Got some boards here to put this head on. All right, now let's see. Will the cable go up? It came down yesterday, so it should go up today. Hey, it's going up. Should have got more boards. This is a lot of work. This machine has power feed on the X and Y axes, which is pretty nice, especially for such an old machine. There we go. Almost there. Okay. All right. Now, there are four bolts that hold the Bridgeport head on. It's right here. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to remove that and kind of pull the head off. So this job's going to kill me. Thank God it's not tight. It's pretty loose. Pretty loose is real loose. There we go, there's the 4. Okay, well, it's stuck on there pretty good. I thought it'd come right. There we go. Oops, lost the washers. I'm here by myself, so that's I'm going to be bringing a cherry picker out here to get some of this other heavier stuff off here. Kind of lower that table and then put it on a dolly and then take it from there. Next we're going to take this head off, which is just held by these 2 bolts here. So that should be pretty easy to get off. to take that off right now. Oh, wrong size wrench. That's too small. There we go. Whoa! Hey. All right. See how easy this comes off. Okay. Come on. Let's try it with a big screwdriver in here. Maybe that'll loosen it up a little. It's stuck. All right. Let me go get some tools and then we'll pick up with this later.